4-liter alternator. Battery off just to be safe. Thing is coming apart like butter right now, boys and girls. Okay, there's our alternator right here. Let's see if we can do this. Oh, nope. Sick. Hit the camera. Oh well. Pull this thing out real quick. Just try to give ourselves as much room as we can here. Woohoo! That is dirty. Alright, we're gonna tell him he needs that soon. Probably not today because I'm on the road and I don't have one with me. Sheesh. Now we can see this tensioner a little better. Where is it? I know it's back here somewhere. Oh, there it is. There it is. Pull this here belt off right here, but first I'm gonna grab a hook. Try to hook it up so I don't have to fish it out later and reroute it. It'll just save me a little bit of time and headache. Come on. There's. Checking out this. Is that right? It's supposed to bend. Why isn't it bending? Ugh. Great. Great. It came off the compressor, I think. Sick, guys. Sick. Alright. Now we got one bolt here on the alternator, a nut over here, and a bolt on the bottom. We got a plug right here. We're going to unplug this. Boom. Boom. Bing, bang, boom. Find out what size this is. Looks like maybe a 13. 13? No, 14? Is too big. 13? Nope, that's a 12. Where's my 13? Why is it in the 11 spot? One hot. Is it right there? Two. And those. And the third one, right down here. Okay. Off. Boom. There's bolt right here. Bing, bang, boom. Pull this puppy out. We got a bolt on the positive wire here we got to get off. I believe it's going to be a 12 mil. Let's see. Could be wrong. It could be, you know, the next size up like the other guess. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. I was right even when I was wrong. It's a 13. Pull that sucker off. That mother sucker. The new one, we are not going to run this nut on for the power wire with the ratchet. Well, we'll get it on a little bit, but we're going to tighten it by hand. That way we don't break the ear off of the new alternator. Pull this baby off. Alternator's out. Correct timing for an alternator job, I'll tell you what. Now we gotta sneak it out. So, put this hose out of the way. Oh, bing, bang, boom. Alright. This new one. I don't need all that. You know how to do an alternator. It's not any rocket science going on here, guys. Hold it on. I already made sure the new one was right. That is a key thing to do. Okay. Take the nut off. I'll bet you this nut's smaller than a 13. Whew. There's that 12 millimeter we were looking for. Yes, sir. Alright. Put that on the magnet. Get this thing back in here. Out. Or in the same way as out. Just gotta move the hose out of the way. Try not to hit anything super hard and break anything. Flip it. Where's that wire? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where'd the wire go? I know it's gonna be right in front of my face. Yep, there it is. Right in front of my face. Oh no, the boot. Not the boot. Get our nut started. Get this baby on tighten. Run it on up. Not all the way tight though, like I said. We don't want to break anything on this new alternator. There we go. So that's on. We just want to make it snug, not too tight. I'm not in the business of breaking anything today. It's almost 7 p.m. Just left my full-time job, working 9 hours. We don't need this. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Get the boot back on. Bang. Get this puppy up there. Get our nut, bolts. There we go. Need a bit of trouble finding that hole, but we got it. Come on. There we go. Put the 12 back. Get our 13 back. Send these babies home. Well, not all the way home yet. Again, guys, we don't have to kill these ones. They ain't going anywhere if you tighten them down by hand a little bit. If you want to torque them, we'll torque them for you. Click. 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 Oh, wait, that's not it. Hold on, I didn't hear a click. Click. Good. Man. Alright. Let's get the plug back on. Plug's on. Alright, now we got to figure this belt out since I pulled it off of the compressor by accident. This is going to be a pain. Hoping we can just sneak it in there, which might have got lucky. We might have got lucky, guys. No, it just fell off of this tensioner now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Boom. That is a done alternator. Record time. Now I just got to put this stuff back. It's 10, yes it is. Click. Oh man. Gotta do something about that, guys. I'm gonna have to get him an air filter. Look at that. Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at me. Don't even know how to put an air filter back. Race car. This guy came off, so we're gonna put that back in there. That way we can slide it on the ...2012 Malibu. Cake work on that alternator. Do him the favor of tightening this hose clamp because the last person did not. So I'm doing the solid. Boom. Okay. Keep the battery hooked up. No battery hold down, brother. Come on now. Good. We're good. Mint. Let's organize our tools. Yep. Look at this. Whew. Come on. Look at this. Oh, gross. Gross. Put those in there for the parts, guys. Yum. We're gonna love that. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. Battery light was on before. I'm gonna cry if it is on now. There it is there. It's off now. Rev her up a little bit. Make sure we don't have a line or anything from the new one. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what we call mint